we get a warm welcome for Ravi from Mobivale?
Good afternoon, guys. Thank you for your interest. I am from Mobivale. This afternoon I'm going to talk about IP for the cloud and IoT centric world. So we are an IP and platform company. We develop silicon intellectual properties and platforms, and we license to customers worldwide. Now let's look at what is happening in the cloud world and what are the components of the cloud architecture. So if you look at the cloud, there are a lot of servers, a lot of computers. There is a lot of storage, and it is going from disk drive to flash. And connecting them together is a lot of network. So I can say the cloud is the hardware-wise. It is the servers, the storage, and the interconnect, the networking. Now on top of the hardware, there is a virtualization component like VMware. And on top of the VMware, there are all kinds of applications like YouTube, Salesforce.com, and any other application that you can think of that is served from a cloud architecture. So this is from the data center. And on the other side of the cloud is the IoT, or the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a bunch of sensors and devices, and they are connected together. They are relaying the data back to their suppliers. Now, why is cloud so exciting? Because of all of us. We are taking a lot of pictures, a lot of videos, we are sharing information, we are updating our Facebook and LinkedIn in every few minutes. So it is helping the whole cloud. And what is happening is about 21 billion devices will be connected in 2018, and in just about 3 years, going about 6 billion new devices. And total 50 billion Internet of Things devices will be connected by 2020. So this is a tremendous growth in this area. And the traffic in the IP, the network, is growing at a tremendous pace, 21% year over year for the next several years. And the mobile traffic, each of us are going to increase our data transfer by 50% for the next 2 years. So just think about all the growth that is happening out there in the internet, IoT-centric, cloud-centric world. This is a tremendous growth that is going on. And the storage is increasing, the networking is increasing, and the flash-based storage is replacing the disk storage out there. Now, all these exciting things going on, and what are we doing? What is Mobivale doing in this space? We are creating technology that we could license to customers worldwide. In terms of what we develop, when I say technology, it is silicon IP or platforms. And this is one of the platforms that we are developing. This is a rapid I/O. This is a new technology that's it's actually been around for some time, but there's a new generation of technology. And connecting to those rapid I/O is many types of servers, whether it's ARM-based servers, PowerPC-based servers, DSPs, GPUs, and all kinds of different servers can be connected through this technology. And that is the great change that is happening through the rapid I/O technology. And I will talk about what is rapid I/O in the next couple of slides. What is rapid I/O? This is like PCIe, like Ethernet, like interlaken. It is an interconnect technology. And this technology connects devices that has the rapid I/O connectivity. And if you look at this, the picture here, FPGAs can be connected, GPU can be connected, DSPs can be connected, CPUs, and so on. So this is allowing a heterogeneous computing environment. Now, comparing to other technologies out there, there is PCI Express, there is Ethernet, there are other technologies, and rapid I/O is exciting and interesting because of all the different features that I've listed here in terms of latency, how fast the connectivity is working, the scalability, how many servers can you connect, fault tolerance. This is very important. You connect these servers, you need to make sure that it is connected in a fault tolerant way, that if there is a fault, it can recover. And rapid I/O can do all this work very efficiently. What Mobivale is doing for rapid I/O, we have developed this technology, we have this IP, and as an ARM connected community partner, we are developing the AXI connectivity. How ARM CPU can be connected to a rapid I/O. That is the link that we provide. And I am here today because we are providing the link between RapidIO and the AXI fabric. The previous slide, the server we talked about, so various different blades, I can say, they are connected together through the RapidIO fabric. So as I mentioned, it could be an ARM CPU, it could be a PowerPC, it could be DSP, it could be GPU. And these are some of the examples of real blades out there. It's just that connectivity, and that we can connect it through the RapidIO fabric. Now, I am moving on to the next part. The first we talk about servers. I am talking about storage now. And what is happening in storage, and all of you, and I don't know how many of you have the old disk drives anymore. All of you are moving to, in your laptops, in your iPad, in your iPhones and Android phones, you are moving to flash storage, and we are seeing that exciting change that's happening. And if you look at the volume going from disk drives going this way, the flash storage going this way. So what are we doing in this space? We want to enable this change. We want more flash storage in enterprise. And what we are doing is creating a complete platform for flash storage. And that has all the different IPs that we have, we have connected them together in a single FPGA, SoC FPGA. And it has got ARM processor embedded already. It has a PCI Express. It has the NVM Express. Flash controller and DDR controller. All these IPs that Mobivale has developed, put it together in a single FPGA. We have a platform. In fact, we are going to be demonstrating at Flash Summit in a couple of months. So you will see that we have a complete solution there. Now, I want to touch upon one more piece of this. That is the error correction in Flash. Error correction is a very important aspect of Flash technology. We are developing this technology for very low power, low footprint error correction. And this can have a tremendous impact in terms of increasing the life of the flash device. And if you increase the life of flash device, the cost of ownership of flash device decreases. That means it can compete better compared to disk drive, for example. So this way we enable the whole transition from disk drive to flash storage in enterprise and so on. This technology is already developed, is already licensed to many companies. A couple of slides about Mobivale. So we are an IP company. We are located in the Silicon Valley. We have development centers in India, in Chennai and Bangalore. Many years of experience doing this. We create the IP, we verify them, validate them, test them, and then we provide it to our customers. I'm not going through each of the IPs, but just think about all the different pieces that are required for the new cloud-centric world: servers, storage, networking, and IoT. These are the areas that we provide. That's about my presentation. Thank you all for your attention.